Struggling to eat healthy when you're slammed with work, chores, and life? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Eating well doesn't have to mean hours in the kitchen. This video shares 5 lightning-fast, nutrient-packed meals you can whip up in 15 minutes or less. No fancy skills required, just real food, fast. Let's get started. Before we dive in, here's our golden trio for stress-free, healthy eating. 5 ingredients max, no hunting for obscure spices. 1 bowl or pot, fewer dishes means a happier you. And meal prep friendly, make once, eat twice. Now let's put these into action. Protein plus veggies equals unstoppable energy. Here's how. Sauté pre-chopped bell peppers and spinach, frozen works too. Add beaten eggs, scramble, and top with salsa. Boom, balanced meal in 10 minutes. Pro tip, double the batch and wrap in a whole wheat tortilla for tomorrow's breakfast. Zero cooking, maximum flavor. Drain a can of chickpeas, toss with diced cucumber, cherry tomatoes and feta. Add lemon juice and olive oil, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. Give it 30 seconds of stirring. Bonus, stuff into pita bread or eat straight from the bowl. This fancy-looking dish is lazy-friendly. While cooking rice, whether you use a rice cooker or a microwave pouch, pan-sear salmon with bottled teriyaki sauce. Add steamed broccoli, and yes, frozen is totally fine. And here's a time saver. Buy pre-portioned salmon fillets. When you're this close to ordering takeout, spread peanut butter on a whole wheat wrap, add banana slices and chia seeds, roll it up, and go. It's sweet, filling, and oddly adult. Your freezer is a time machine. Store-bought lentil or minestrone plus 3 minutes in the microwave equals an instant cozy meal. Pair with whole grain toast for crunch. Hack your way to easy eating. Pre-chop veggies on Sundays or buy pre-cut. Batch cook grains like quinoa or rice for the week. Label leftovers with dates, no more mystery fridge science. See, eating well on crazy days is possible. Pick one meal to try this week, your future self will thank you. Drop a thumbs up if this saved your weeknight dinners, subscribe for more no-stress healthy hacks, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Now go conquer your kitchen, fast.